When working with paths in Illustrator, small adjustments can completely change the look of your design. Sometimes you need a sharp corner. Sometimes you need a smooth curve. That's where the anchor point tool and the smooth tool come in. Let's see how they differ. The anchor point tool changes the structure of a path. It lets you convert a smooth point into a corner point or create direction handles from a corner to form a curve. This tool gives you precise control over how each anchor point behaves. The smooth tool refines and smooths an existing path by reducing sharp variations. It reduces anchor points and creates smoother curves on paths by letting you draw over existing lines. Both tools improve your paths, but in different ways. The anchor point tool gives you structural control, while the smooth tool enhances visual flow. Understanding when to use each will help you create cleaner, more creative designs in Illustrator.